welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So it's almost the end of the month of our Kipling month. I've so enjoyed all the beautiful videos and the comments, the interaction with all my subbies here. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my fellow YouTubers who joined in. I so appreciate it. It has been a really fun Kipling month. And I have my last video here today. It is a unboxing. I don't have a last what's in my bag for you guys because I did want to show the other bags that I didn't get a chance to. So, but it's okay because I will move into a Kipling now and then throughout the year. So you will see the ones you didn't get to see. So this is my last unboxing of the Kipling month. I bought these from eBay. Wow, okay. That's an easy ship. I saw this item featured on a PSA's channel, Clara. She showed it. After she showed it, I had to go and find some because I love the idea of it. And apparently there was 2 of the same color in the lot, which is okay. So it's 4 pieces. So yeah, they're flat. I was hoping they would be stuffed. Let me stuff them and I'll be right back so you can see them stuffed. We're back. So yeah, they were not shipped nice and stuffed. They were like just thrown in there. So I want you guys to be able to see the shape. So this one I didn't stuff so I could show you the details. Okay. So this is the Freedom pouch. This color is the cloudy gray metallic. So this is how it came. It's very packable. See how it gets all flat. So beautiful. Such a nice handy piece to have. And then the inside is just open space. There's nothing. Oh, here's his monkey. So it can be a great pencil, pen carrying thing, a makeup bag. Very useful little thing to have. And again, I saw Clara show this on her Kipling video and I had to have some. So I didn't stuff this one so you guys could see the details. There was 2 of this in the lot apparently. And the monkey's name on this one is Samara. Samara. So cute. I'm going to add it to my monkey tower here. These other monkeys I've already taken out of the bags, but some of mine that we didn't get to do already do have their bag, the monkeys on the bag. So I think I wanted to move into this one, but I didn't get a chance. I might use it next month in February. We'll see. But and then the new black one I got too. I haven't used that one yet as well. So these are called Freedom, guys. Freedom pouch. This one is a glistening puppy blue, and it comes with the little monkey. Monkey's name is Dawn, but look how cute. So cute. This will go with any of the blues, the reds, white. I see a little bit of pink if you want to pull the pink out. This is how it looks stuffed. You can see these Kiplings are very well made for storage. Very durable. Again, this one's called a glistening poppy blue. Next one is, this is really pretty, urban jungle red. And this one comes with the rubber monkey. This is my first rubber monkey. A lot of people don't like the rubber monkey. I'm not sure why. He's so cute. I mean, I have enough of my furry friends here. Does the rubber monkey not have a name? I don't see a name on there. But so this one's called Urban Jungle Red. Then it is the Freedom pouch. So my first little rubber monkey. I think it's a baby. So cute. Again, I got these from eBay as a lot for all 4 of them. And then here is the original one I showed you. This one is again the cloudy gray metallic. Is the monkey different on this one? Samara. No, it's the same monkey. Okay. This is how it looks if you pack it. So cute. Instead of this. So that is it for our Kipling month here on my channel. Thank you so much to everyone who has watched. Again, if I didn't get to show a bag that you wanted to see, I will be doing, of course, Kipling here and there on my channel. I have a whole playlist of Kiplings that you might not have seen yet. I'm going to link it on the bottom. I will link my friend Clara, her channel as well, so go check out hers. She has a great collection. I want to say thank you again to everyone who watched, and my new subscribers, thank you for coming aboard. And in February we're gonna go back to our Doonies. I can't wait. I have so much surprises for you guys coming. Make sure you are subscribed, like, and share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.